What is going on, Phantom Army? It's your boy Phantom Stilts, and welcome back, guys, once again to a brand new tutorial video on the channel. I get questions all the time about, what external webcam should I use? What webcam should I use in general? I don't have enough money to buy a webcam. Let me ask you a question, though. Do you have a cell phone? All right, guys, so here we are on Elgato's website. Elgato, I can't say enough about the Elgato team. Whenever they make a product, it's always absolutely stellar and sort of blows my mind. And this was no exception whatsoever. Whenever you've thought about using a webcam for your stream, have you ever thought of the cell phone in your pocket? It's literally a camera that's in your hand that you have possession of, that you don't have to buy an external webcam in order to make it work. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's going to be really, really cool. You guys can thank me later. So in order to make this work, it's actually a program that you have to download from the App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your platform of cell phone, whether you have an Android or an iPhone. Obviously, Android would be your Google Play Store and App Store would be your iPhone users. So it's actually an application called Epoccam. It's Epoccam. I'm actually going to put the name of it right below me here in the video. That way you guys can see it. And you're going to go to Elgato's website to download the software. It's all integrated. It works off of your Wi-Fi or USB connection if you're connected to your computer, or it works off of a Wi-Fi connection as well. So you don't have to be connected to the computer in order to make this work. So it's really cool. And just a little disclaimer, I don't know if I said this or not, I'm actually using the application right now. I'm actually using it right now. I'm using my cell phone as a webcam. How freaking cool is that? So without any further ado, I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Obviously, we're on Elgato's website. It is an Elgato product. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go to the downloads page on the Elgato website. And we're going to select our product. And like I said, it's going to be this Epoccam here. And what you're going to do is you're just going to download the software. Once you download the software, you install it. You are good to go from your computer side. And I'm going to show you also how to add it as a source in OBS. It's really simple. So download this software. Once you're done downloading the software, you're going to go to either the Google Play Store or the App Store and type in the Epoccam name. So it's again Epoccam, Epoccam, and you're going to go ahead and download that onto your phone, whether it's a Google Play app or a App Store app. Once you get in there, you're just going to follow the prompts. Literally, once you have the drivers installed, it's going to pick it up. You can either run it off of Wi-Fi or USB, and it has a ton of features. There is a free version. The only caveat of the free version is that there's going to be a little bit of a watermark, so doing a green screen is going to look a little wonky with that watermark. But Phantom, it's got to be expensive. If I'm gonna get the paid version, it's like $20-30, right? Dude, it's $8. It is $8 for you to make your cell phone a 12 megapixel camera, if not better, into a webcam that you can use inside of OBS for streaming. How cool is that? Isn't that dope? So without any further ado, I'll show you guys how to, we'll jump over to OBS or Slobs, depending on the platform that you use, either OBS regular or Slobs, OBS Studio, and I will show you guys how to add it. So let's get over there. So let's go ahead and add the camera source inside of OBS. So there we go. So we're going to go ahead and hit this plus sign here. That's going to allow us to add the source. Now I already have the source added. If I add another main camera source on top of it, it's going to sort of take away the quality in what my actual webcam from the cell phone actually looks like. So we're going to go ahead and just hit video capture device. And mine's already added in here as main camera, as you can see. So we're not going to add it again, but I'm going to show you how to add it as a source if we wanted to. So we're going to do a new video capture device, right? So as you can see, I did have an HD Pro webcam in C920. The quality was actually kind of it wasn't really that great. And I was trying to figure out how I could make my webcam better. And I thought, why don't I just use my cell phone? There's got to be an application to do it. And that's how you do it with this Epoccam application on your phone. So what you're going to do is when you want to add it as a source, you're going to do device. And it's literally this Epoccam. It's going to show up once you download the driver software and connect it to your computer via USB or Wi-Fi. It is so great, guys. I can't say enough about it. So if you do this along with the right lighting, because I use a key light, that's sort of what I use for my lighting in my setup. It's amazing. It's amazing. So let me know down in the comments if you guys were able to add this, if you guys need help adding it, anything around OBS or adding the software or trying to find it or set it up in your cell phone. Leave me a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments if you guys were able to do this without any hassle. It should be relatively plug and play and easy to do. Once you download the software from Elgato, once you add it as a source, everything should sort of mesh, and once you connect, it automatically connects once you open the app. So hopefully this helped you guys. Like I said, this is probably the coolest thing I've seen since I've been using Elgato products. How cool is that you can use a cell phone that's already in your possession? You don't have to buy a $200, $300, $400, $500 webcam. You can literally use the cell phone that's in your pocket. Also, make sure to like and subscribe if you guys are brand new to the channel. That way you guys don't miss any new videos like this, as well as like reaction videos, live streams, and things like that. Also, my schedule for uploading is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We'll be doing daily uploads for those days. And then Tuesday, Thursday at around 7:30, 8 o'clock, we'll be streaming. So we finally have a set schedule. Like I've said in some other videos, we finally have a set schedule of what we're going to be doing, when you guys can expect uploads, when you guys can expect live streams and things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, make sure to like and subscribe if you guys are brand new to the channel. And I will see you guys on the next video. Take care, guys.